Okay, this is video 2 of the Cloud Assess tool, and we're covering the Cost Amounts tab. We just covered the introduction in video 1, explained what the profitability calculator is and the cloud versus on-premise. We're now going to talk about all of these costs that are here. First of all, every one of these numbers gets transposed over into the profitability calculator. That's how it calculates all of your profit. Starting at the very top, as you may have heard and watched in one of our videos or talked to somebody at Comlink, that you can purchase individual virtual machines that are redundant for $96. And that redundancy is 100 miles away on our privately owned fiber network. Each virtual machine includes an operating system, Windows Server OS, one virtual core, 4 gig of RAM and 150 gig of storage. All of those components can be purchased individually at $32 increments. So you can build out infrastructure as a service in $32 increments. And keep in mind, that's redundant infrastructure. Where are you going to find in today's marketplace, you tell me, at such a low cost? This is wholesale cost for you VARs to be able to bundle your managed services with this low cost of redundancy. Now let's keep going down. We've also built in your remote monitoring tools, everything that you really need for cloud services bundled with managed services. Starting at the top is the remote desktop terminal server license for $3.97. We do supply that. What we do not supply are these 3 items here. Your agent, your RMM tool, whether it's Kaseya, LabTech, Enable, Level Platforms, GFI, Continuum, whatever it is, plug in your number. Also your antivirus and spyware and malware suite, your security suite. That's 67 cents a month per user from Kaspersky. We don't sell that. Plug your number in. And same thing here for a spam email filter and a web content filter. $1.98 is an MX Logic example price. Plug your number in, because all those numbers get transposed over here on the profitability calculator. Also, we do carry the Microsoft licensing, the SPLA program. We are a SPLA provider. Same thing with RDP up here. This is designed for you to create some margin. We're not here to make margin on the Microsoft SPLA program. You wouldn't be able to sell it if we did. So we do have a 10% markup on it, full disclosure. That is there for our costs to report to Insight every month. Let's see. That's really all there is to the cost savings. To the cost amounts tab. What we're going to do is cover the profitability calculator next. Now keep in mind, this virtual machine you can purchase from us individually, but when you buy a VARCloud at $29.95 a month, or the ramp up at $600, starting at $600 and ramping up, you're going to want to use these numbers internally also, because if you take a VARCloud and divide it by 32, because there's 32 cores, you're going to get roughly $96, $3,000 divided by 32. And so you can really divide up your VARCloud, what you're paying for it, and still come up with accurate numbers. So I hope that helps, whether you're coming in at the full VARCloud or you're coming in at the virtual private server level. These costs are going to work very well for you over here on the profitability calculator. So let's stay tuned and watch video 3.